Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. I'm Terrace Foley from the Foley Collective, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss: the Tangem Wallet, a secure open source, multi-currency, multi-chain, DeFi-compatible, easy-to-use hardware wallet that requires only your phone and a Tangem card. It's the same size of a credit card. No wires, no batteries, just the app and your phone and the tap of the Tangem card. Let's check it out. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and overall user experience of this remarkable hardware wallet. So without further ado, let's get started. Tangem Wallet is a hardware wallet that revolutionizes the way that we store and interact with cryptocurrencies. Its unique design resembles a credit card, making it compact and easy to carry around. But don't let the size fool you. Tangem Wallet packs a punch, and it comes with security as well as functionality. One of the standout features of the Tangem Wallet is its near-field communication NFC technology. By simply tapping a card against our smartphone, we establish a secure connection and gain access to our cryptocurrency funds. No need to remember lengthy seed phrases or worry about storing them securely, like as we did before. Tangem Wallet takes care of that for us. You see, unlike traditional hardware wallets, which requires us to connect via USB or Bluetooth, Tangem Wallet offers a seamless user experience with its NFC capabilities. It's easy as tapping a card, and we're ready to manage our own crypto assets. Security is a top priority in the crypto world, and Tangem Wallet takes it very seriously. The wallet stores our private keys offline, right on the card itself. This means that even if our phone or our computer is compromised, our funds remain safe. Tangem Wallet ensures that physical access of the card is required in order to authorize transactions, and this provides another extra layer of protection. Tangem Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and many more. So whether you are a Bitcoin maximalist or an all-coin aficionado, Tangem Wallet has got you covered. The wallet's versatility allows us to manage multiple cryptocurrencies conveniently from a single device. Now here's where the Tangem Wallet truly shines. It's fully compatible with decentralized finance, DeFi applications. For those unfamiliar with DeFi, it's a revolutionary concept that offers financial services without intermediaries. With the Tangem Wallet, we can securely interact with DeFi apps directly with our phone. Lending, borrowing, trading becomes a breeze, all while maintaining the highest level of security. Let's talk about how transactions work with the Tangem Wallet. When we want to make a payment or send funds, we simply tap the card to our phone just like before. The Tangem app on our device guides us through the process, prompting us to choose the desired cryptocurrency and enter the recipient's address. We then confirm the transaction by tapping the card again, ensuring that the rightful owner can authorize the transfer. Tangem Wallet user interface is interactive as well as being user-friendly. Even if you're new to cryptocurrencies, you'll find it easy to navigate through the app and perform various actions, from checking your balance and reviewing transaction history. Tangem Wallet provides a seamless experience for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. And that concludes our overview of the Tangem Wallet, the secure and convenient hardware wallet that combines sleek design with robust functionality. If you're eager to explore further, I encourage you to visit the Tangem website or download the Tangem app to get started. Remember, always conduct your own research and take the necessary precautions when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Thank you for joining me today. If you find this video informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Foley Collective for more exciting content. Until next time, happy investing.